If you learn previous video, then you are able to solve practice set 9. Now I am going to explain how to solve it. Practice set 9. First question is solve. So I am going to take first one. Question number 1. Solve. Our first question is minus 96 divided by 16. So what we have to do? We have to divide it. We know that minus 96 divided by 16. So again we are going to convert minus 1 into 96 upon 1 into 16. Again 16 ones are and 16 six are. 16 ones are and 16 six are. This one is ones are, 6 are. 96. 16 six are 96. So again this remains minus 6. Okay. Second one. 98 divided by minus 28. Again divide it. 98. Take numerator and denominator in the form of numerator and denominator. 98 divided by minus 28. Then convert it. These are a positive 98 and this one is minus 1 into 28. Now we can't directly divide it. So we have to think it. Now in the table, so think on this question. In which table both are comes? In the table of 14. So 98 14 table. So 14 into 7 and 14 into 2. So here minus sign as it is minus 1. And then we are going to write minus symbol upper side and 14 will get cancelled, 7 by 2. Remaining questions you have to solve. Remaining are from 3 to 10 you have to solve. If you get any doubt, then tell me, I'll explain and I'll send you answer sheet. You have to check. Then question number 2. Write three divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 by 5. So what we have to do? We have to write at least 3 divisions. हमें क्या करना है? हमें 3 ऐसे डिविजन्स लिखने हैं. किसके डिविजन्स होने चाहिए? इंटीजर्स के डिविजन्स होने चाहिए जिसका हमें फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म क्या मिलना चाहिए? हमेशा 24 by 5. क्या मिलना चाहिए? 24 by 5. So question number 2. तो हमें फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म व्हाट वी वांट? फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म 24 by 5. These both are positive integers. 24 is positive and 5 is also positive. There is no negative sign. Then we are going to take here minus 24 by minus 5. This is also one more form. Then second one, you can multiply also both for denominator and numerator also. You can divide also if there is available, then divide it. But now I am going to multiply 24 by 5 into 1 into 1. Again, I'll get 24 by 5. One more thing, I'm going to multiply by 2. Then I'll get here 48 by 10. So similarly, you have to find 3 integers, 3 fractional forms. So here minus 24 by 5, again 24 by 5, because minus minus is converted to positive. Do you understand this one? You have to solve third one. Similar question, but here negative sign, negative 5. So what you have to do? You want at least one negative integer in your answer, in denominator, otherwise in numerator. Now next, the fish in the pond below carry some numbers. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplication with those numbers. Now choose 4 other pair and carry out divisions with these numbers. So what you have to do? You have to see this fish. Fishes are here. You have to take these integers and you have to do multiplication and also division. So now I am showing one example here. So question number 4. This one is our question number 4. First one is multiplication. You have to write 4 pair. Each question 4 pair. For multiplication 4 pair and for division 4 pair. मतलब आपको ऐसे 4 पेयर बनाना है. अभी मैं एक ही पेयर का बताऊंगी, आपको ऐसे 4 पेयर का आंसर्स लिखने हैं. सो फर्स्ट मैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन का एक पेयर बताऊंगी और दूसरा डिवीजन का एक पेयर बताने वाली हूँ. सो यहाँ पे मैंने लिया है -15 इंटू -8. So minus minus plus. Then again here division. For division I am going to take here plus 12 divide by plus 19. Which is equals to plus 12 by plus 9. So it is both are divisible by 3. So divide it. Plus 4 by plus 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. Remaining 3 pair. 1 pair is completed. Remaining 3 pair multiplication and remaining 3 pair for division. You have to complete it. And then send me your homework personally. Don't send it in a group. I want personally homework. Based on your homework, I'll take your attendance. Otherwise, I'll take your absent. I'll do absent.